Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals, a beautiful 2022, the ever so popular 27 Dauntless. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. The 27 is kind of a sport utility. It's a great fish boat, great dive boat, also a great family boat with lots of seating. She has the traditional AccuTrack hull here, deep V up front, if you will. Big reverse chines. Between the hull and the deck is all closed cell phone. So the boat has an incredibly nice ride to it. This one has your gel coat on the hull sides that match underneath the hardtop in blue. Very, very sharp. White rub rail with stainless steel insert. This one's powered by twin 225 Verados. These are V6 right here. The boat's just being rigged right now. In white, horsepower to weight ratio is great. Great wide open throttle, fuel economy, and cruise speed. Very, very nice motor. So this particular one was ordered with your ski pylon. This one has the popular dive door, swim patio, if you will, on the port side. Leaning post for circulating bait well. Yeti cooler goes underneath it. You do have fresh water here as well. Nice deep tank. Plenty of seating in the back of the boat. Storage underneath that seat. Also a fresh water shower back here. Here's some information here. Life jacket storage underneath the hardtop. This one we brought in with the Raymarine 12-inch GPS chart plotter, Fusion stereo, and the Mercury vessel view, tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift right here. Very, very comfortable helm seat. And then up front, this is what I like about the boat. Lots and lots of seating up here. You've got backrest on both sides. This particular boat has your swim ladder up front. So you have a choice of a swim ladder or a windlass, personal preference. And then our garage right here, rod storage, tons and tons of room inside there. This one does have the filler cushion that goes in up front, so that'll make into a big sun pad. Very comfortable armrest all the way around. So the 270 Dauntless is one of our most popular models in the 27-foot range that we sell here at MarineMax in Venice. And this is a great example. So 2022 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless, located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax in Venice. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.